Guys, wala kaming nakitang jasmine rice dito, guys. Kaya napunta na lang ako sa noodles, guys. Wala rin silang sardinas dito, yung sardinas na tulad sa atin na may tomato sauce na may yung 555 sardines, Youngstown. Wala silang ganun, guys. What is that? Nutella white. Guys, wala akong nakitang sardinas dito, guys. Yung miswa, hinahanap ko dito, yung sardinas na tulad sa atin na yung 555 sardines or mega sardines or Youngstown sardines. Wala sila dito, guys. Walang Pinoy food dito, guys. Guys, ito yung hotdog nila dito, guys. Ito yung hotdog nila dito. Try natin. With the chocolate outside because here is expensive. Mahal. Say hi to my vlog.